Hey people, welcome back. An update on the warranty dispute I'm having with this washing machine. Samsung complaints department rang me, couldn't get through to me for some reason, left a voice message, I rang him back. Raised my concerns in relation to the description here with no star or anything else to reference to try and register the unit. Obviously, I've expressed that the unit has been bought from Samsung, so what is the need for an additional registration? And furthermore, that on this particular page, on the face value, you can't see anything here under the description, nor, as I repeat on my last video, there's nothing here to say that you need to register the device to qualify. So what they got me by is saying, well, we should have looked at the small prints on warranty small prints, terms and conditions before you bought the item. And I replied back, well, there's no need for that, because end of the day, it's in bold, clear text with no star or anything to reference to about the warranty, but it's clear. You've stated on the website that the warranty is 5 years plus 20 years for the digital inverter motor, and so on and so forth. So then they go, oh, well, have you seen an image? I said, what image? And let's scroll to that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait for it. 8. Voila! Yeah. Okay. So they brought this up now as a last defense. Oops. So my counter argument was, why wasn't this? Trying to get back. Oops. Why wasn't this? Sorry, just pressed it wrong. Why wasn't this actually on the front area? Why wasn't this symbol in this part of the section, right? So you've put everything else on, but why didn't you actually put this on? And as I repeat, there's nowhere on the page, apart from this, there's nowhere else on the page to say that you need to register this separately to qualify for the 5-year extended warranty. So they say, on this is the page what they're referring to. So I said, where's the link for the page? Oh, you got to find it. You got to do this. You got to absolute gibberish. So in the end, I refused to keep the machine, and I said to them, you're in breach of the contract under the Sales of Good Act 1979. You're breaching the Sales of Good Act 1979. And I would like to return the item because there has been a clear misrepresentation at the point of sale. So they passed me on to the after sales team, who I quoted the same reference, and they put the phone down. So this is absolute surprising that such a manufacturer is actually just playing gimmick with consumers like myself, and especially with the warranty. So you got to be careful when you're looking at these sort of things. So what's happening now is I've filed a chargeback. I've completed the chargeback from today with Barclays. You probably can see a little symbol here. I'm not going to open because that contains my personal information there on the top. I've already filed a complaint with them, and on the basis of misrepresentation, and I've filed the full amount, which was purchase price was $449. And let's see what the outcome is. Either way, win or lose, I mean, at least I'm giving. Look, it's not the matter of money; it's the matter of principle. That's the reason why I'm giving them a bit of a chase. They have sold this item very deceivingly, and the description and on the face of this web page, there's no links, nothing discussing about, and you've got to make it a redemption beside a snidey picture, which is right at the very last. That is absolutely not acceptable. So anyway, that's all. I hope you guys stay well, stay safe, and just be careful when you're buying stuff from Samsung and other manufacturers as well. Take care. Peace.